Okay, guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use this guy here, which is called Pinyin lite. So let's enter a word, a famous word in Chinese. Let's say, for example, okay, here. Oh, gay. Okay, yeah, Chinese also gay. Okay. So what do you do with this? Okay, so you can listen to your computer.
gay, gay,
Okay, no, that was a bad idea. Two tips though. It's a bad idea. The fuck is annoying as shit. Okay, now let's analyze. Okay, so you can use this one. It would put it here, and then you can just use the button here to rebuild it into stroke by stroke. Okay, so what's the first stroke? First stroke is this guy here. What looks like this guy? Ah, this guy here, right? Okay, so here. Oh, good. Orange. There's two of them. Okay. Then this guy here. Fluke. There's a fluke here. And not undo. It's not this one, right? It's red. Okay. Undo is this one. Okay. After that, yeah, this one. Ah, this one. And yeah, nah. Okay, this guy. Oh, there's a small one here. All right, so this guy, then followed by this guy. So we're yellow, we're good. Okay. So at this point here, will probably be recognizable by any keyboard that support strokes. Okay, at this point you can probably just select it. Okay, but that's it. To finish, to get the green, what do you need to do? This is this guy here. This looks like this guy. It is. Okay, and then you have co here. So co is always the same. Okay, this one, and then this one. Okay, so we're green. See, I succeed. There you go. And you can have information on it here, which is basically the same as the analyze. Okay, and you can see to give, to lend, or for buy, whatever. Okay, you have the CN here. You can take all this. Okay, let's see here. This is the CN. Okay, so clear. Okay, and just paste it here. V, enter. There you go. Build it for you. Okay, then you can go back instead and do. Okay, so basically that's what you can do with this. Okay, so if we analyze again, and you can even practice speaking, can I? Gay, gay. Oh, come on. Gay? Can you be gay? You're not gay? So sad. Come on, give me gay. Gay war. Ah! You got it here.